future of media and marketing is much more than traditional media. You need to think about mobile, which now extends from the phone to the tablet, to watches, to glasses. Mobile's pretty much everything.
Well, virtually every exhibitor has some Internet of Things related application. And that seems to be pretty positive, because as this stuff grows and proliferates, we'll probably see a little bit more of it catching on within the consumer.
LG is introducing a number of very interesting products. They've introduced the Magic Mirror. So through a mirror interface, consumers can actually get a real-time diagnosis of their skin problems, broken down by percentages that they can track online, be able to see on their smartphone. They're able to access a dermatologist in real time and make appointments. And they're also able to see recommendations for what's their best skincare product. So we're seeing wearables going from tracking your health, your fitness, to now actually your beauty.
People are using wearables, smart devices, the connected car, basically to sort of control and enhance their lives, from the house they live in to the car they use and the clothing they wear. So this whole notion of being able to connect to different devices when and how you want to get the information you need.
The wearables and beacon devices are providing a whole new way to do location-based marketing right now, because if you can track a user when they're actually in a store, that's a much more usable piece of data for a marketer than whether they're around the store or perhaps going to the store. And what they're able to do now, from what I'm seeing, is geofencing tied in with beacon devices. They can actually get people while they're in a store experience, which makes a more meaningful connection to the consumer.
We have Wi-Fi, we have beacons also, which complement all these strategies that you can add with location services and give you a much more accurate data. I mean, not different. It narrows the margin of error.
The digital wallet and commerce space is also another expansive area, because people are already using Apple Pay, people are already using things like Starbucks apps to pay for things. So I think there is a need for that and a desire.
So we're moving from big data and collecting all the big data to analyzing it and providing like smart data for the user. So like seamless experience for the user.
The data is more accurate because it's based on real behaviors, instant behaviors. Now the strategies go to audience planning instead of a media planning.
What we're seeing is that the Internet of Things is actually emerging onto a next level, where we see an aggregation of all the data coming from IoT devices, coming from wearables, fitness trackers, etc. And all of this data is being aggregated now by companies that then create consumer profiles that can actually benefit the consumer and advertisers.
For Havas and for our clients, being able to have a fully multi-integrated connected strategy is really what we're aiming for. So we need to think and look at these technologies not just in isolation. So it's not just about mobile commerce or about location-based marketing or virtual reality. It's about how do all of those different intersection points connect? How do we attribute different investments along the consumer journey and make sure that we're optimizing and ensuring that we're reaching consumers in the way they want to be reached with the right media?